A little bit of wet pavement there on the parking lot and the area looking back towards Maryville College, but overall pretty good. Snow really picking up in Gatlinburg right now. Look at the surfaces here, the walkways getting covered, and snow on some of the roads as well. This is where the heaviest snow will be across our area. This is our storm. Again, it's already starting to move out, right? It's going to strengthen as it's over the open waters of the Atlantic. You really wanted this storm system to come up through Columbia for us to see snow everywhere in decent amounts. Not happening. Again, moving out. So the last bit of snow will continue to move east as we go through the day Saturday, and it's going to taper off pretty quickly across portions of the plateau a little bit later tonight. That's why we don't have much in the way of snow accumulations expected there. 26 Knoxville, 27 Dandridge, 23 in Maynardville, and a very cold 20 in La Follette. So yeah, we're already seeing some road issues in spots, mainly wet where it's green, but the blue meaning some snow covered roads. The darker blue you're seeing, that's pretty decently covered roads. So portions of Greene County, further south down into Cott County, you already want to be careful there with road surface temperatures in the 20s. Again, road salt works down to that, 18 degrees-ish range. So we're going to be closer to that for our road temperatures by daybreak, and that's why there will be some issues even on some treated roads. These are actual air temperatures by daybreak, single digits to teens. That's a cold start, and then through the day tomorrow, not much of a warm up. Most areas, you're going to be lucky to get out of the teens to low 20s. So here's where we are, 11 o'clock right now, some snow across the area. Bands of snow really going to start to increase. That's what the darker purple is showing up here. This is by 3 a.m. Notice it's already started to taper off on the plateau, right? As that low pressure center moves east in the Atlantic, taking the moisture with it. This is 3 a.m. I'll stop it right at about sunrise. You may actually see the sunrise across portions of the plateau. Not expecting to see any snow by then, but still some snow in Knoxville and areas to the east. We taper off about lunchtime across our area. Notice the winds, though, gusting 20, 25 miles per hour. Snow being blown around, and it's quite cold, as you can imagine. By the time we get to 6, sunset, everybody dry except further east, more snow. See, this is going to be a prolonged event over towards the Smokies. The way it's looking, it's probably closer to midnight before you dry out in those areas. Everybody should be quiet by about this time tomorrow. So highest totals, 4 to 8 inches plus. Portions of severe Cocke and Greene counties. As I've been saying, exit 407, where the Buc-ee's is, the difference between the snow there, maybe some 5+ inches of snow, to the 40-75 split there, West Knox County going into Loudoun County near Northwest Middle, you may only see 1 to 2 inches. There's going to be that big of a spread over that short a distance across our area. So less snow west, more snow to the east. That's where your travel trouble spots are going to be tonight through the day tomorrow, especially areas shaded in red with all the snow. I won't say zero, but again, less impacts further to the west. Those are the types of snows you can get rid of with a snow blower or a leaf blower across the area, but you're going to need a shovel areas to the east. After the snow moves out tomorrow, cold. We're talking single digits Sunday and Monday morning. That's why we'll be weather aware. Temperatures thaw some. Tuesday, we're in the mid-40s, and we will see some rain chances returning as we go through the day on Wednesday, but still staying below average temperature-wise.
Yeah, it definitely is. All right, Ken.